We move on, folks, and we switch lanes literally. Track on the Streets is ready and set to go on August 24th. Now, here to tell us about this amazing initiative for the children of Almond Town is the founder of the event, Kevon Ellis. Morning, my friend.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Boy,
Thanks for having me.
I've heard about this because I'm close to the community,
Yeah.
and it's a fantastic thing you're doing. And you didn't go to a school close to the community, so why you wanted, I know you're from Almond Town, so why you wanted to start this in the first place?
Yeah, so in 2013, a 4-year-old died on my road by the gun, and that was the first time we saw the road block people from all over. And 3 years later, we decided, 2 years later, which was 2015, we decided that we're going to block the road in a positive way. So from then we started Track on Streets, and our mantra is roadblock without a load block.
It working?
Yeah, definitely.
What's happened since then? Violence has toned down, or what?
In Almond Town, it kind of fluctuates, but on the specific road or in that circle, we don't really have any.
Which road is blocked? Give me an idea of what we're talking, or where we're talking about.
Yeah, Lord Elgin Street. That's the first road coming down from Ulmer's Girls or the dry cleaners.
So when you pass the prep school, Wilma's prep, or no?
Now, when you pass the dry cleaners, Colony is where Ulmer's
Right.
prep is. The dry cleaners, then the next left
Right,
turn.
okay, I know where it is. So
Yeah.
you block off the street,
Yeah.
but you have more than just sprints. You have,
Yes, yeah, we
what's a
have.
math race? I read that you had a math race. What is that?
Yeah, so basically they run, take up a paper with a pencil and solve a maths based on the age group.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, where you get money to do all of this? Because you have to have some change to do all of this.
Yes, so we have an organization, which is the Inner City Development Youth Association. So we throw dues and we seek sponsorship from corporate companies and shops in the community and other individuals.
Yeah.
That's so really fun.
And I was hearing that people from all over want to come. Apparently you had an interest from some people in Manchester and stuff.
Yeah, so in 2017, the champion girl, Shanini, she was from Manchester. She traveled all the way from Manchester and she competed and she won 4 gold medals and she got the scholarship that year.
What about the scholarship? What is the scholarship? How do you work that out?
So basically, overall, the kids compete for medals and trophy. And they all receive back-to-school materials, but the most outstanding male and female at the end of the day receive a scholarship.
All right, so you told me about the math race, you have potato race, but are there any just track, you just run down the road and who's the fastest with?
Yeah, so we have the short sprint and we also have the stamina race. So the stamina race, you find them run, picking up something, jumping over something, going under something, and you know, as
How many are you involved in all of this as leaders in the community?
I said, Inner City Development Youth Association is 16 of us.
16?
Yeah, but we get volunteers. So if anyone wants to come and volunteer, they can.
Yeah. You said earlier that, and I suspect you mean the violence, it's not always violent,
Yeah.
and it fluctuates. What would cause it to be violent? Why would it be violent?
It's the typical flare-up where power struggle. Sometimes you have power struggle in the community. Sometimes even the sport can propel violence, like probably a football competition or so forth. Sometimes you find young men bringing knife to a football field. So it's like they're expecting something, or if anything, they can defend themselves. So you have stuff like that.
Are you going to stop it
Oh, I am going to stop it?
as one of the leaders?
So we're using Track on Street as one of the medium to kind of mold the minds of the younger ones, you know, and hopefully, probably not now, but in the future we can stop some of the violence.
All right, so it's August 24. What time you start?
We start at 9 a.m.
Yeah.
and we finish at 5 p.m.
And if someone watching just want to help, want to be a part with that financially, or just come support, what they must do?
Yes, so you can email trackonstreets@gmail.com or you can call at 398-2404.
All right, Kevon. Excellent work.
Yeah, thanks.
Excellent work.
Yeah.
Brilliant. He's the founder of Track on the Streets, Kevon Ellis.